The people who get the most out of this are workshops, the independent repairers and the groups that have come along to this. I think we've tailored our messages to help these people. My name's Nicholls, I'm the CEO of Ryco Group. I'm also on the AAA Council. Ryco Group consists of Ryco Filters, Innovative Mechatronics and AA Gaskets or Permaseal. Ryco's involvement with AUTOCARE is in actually 4 points. The first one is it's a major industry event, and any major industry event that happens, credible brands like Ryco need to be there. We're there, we're going to exhibit our new products and information to help trades. Obviously the workshops are screaming for information, so we're there to try and help give that information and knowledge to the people. Our people are also attending. I've got our product team and marketing team from head office coming up because there's a lot of useful seminars where we can learn a lot about as well. And the fourth thing I think is that because it's a great networking opportunity, so it's a good chance for the industry to get together and make sure we share information collectively. Look, I think it's healthy for the industry to get together. We have a major show, as you know, biannually. It's nice to have this one in between, but also I think this one's a great one for the New South Wales market, for the local Sydney people and people from interstate to come to it to try and transfer all that information that we've got to these people. I'd say give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. I think you're going to learn something. I think everybody that's putting effort into this event knows that we want people to see that they've had value in going there, and I think that it'd be a wise decision to attend.